Today's video is all about the prediction for 7th August 2025 IELTS test. Before starting this video, let me tell you one thing. Prediction is a guesswork which most of the time comes true. And before starting this video, let me share some screenshots. Although I have not predicted 19th July and 26th July's tests, as you can see from the screenshots, in 19th July's exam there was a bar graph and I conducted a class of bar graph before that on 18th of July. Same happened in 26th July's IELTS test. There was a pair of maps, and 2 days before on 24th of July I conducted a class of maps. Today I will talk about 7th of August, both academic and general training for students who are in Canada and in India. So let's start with the academic one first. If I talk about task 1, the chances are really high that you will probably get a bar graph, a pie or a table. Out of these 3 you will get a task. If I talk about task 2, you will probably get an agree or disagree essay or a discuss both views essay. Task 2 prediction is for both academic and general students. For GT students, talking about task 1, the chances are high that you will probably get an informal letter. So make sure to prepare for that. Talking about the listening part for both academic and general students, the level of listening will be between easy and moderate. Probably 2 sections, that means 20 or maybe 18 questions will be multiple choice. Rest it will be fill in the blanks, a maximum up to 3 words or 1 word and or a number. Chances are less that there will be a map in listening for both academic and GT students. Let's have a look at the reading part. The level of the reading is estimated to be between easy and moderate. One of the passages will be tough, but the chances are high that this passage might be second or first. That means it will not be a standard level. The passages will be shuffled, so you have to prepare according to that. You have to look for the easy passage first, then move to the moderate and then tough if you want to get a better score. Because if you are starting with the easy passage, then your confidence will boost. Vice versa, if you are starting with the tough passage first, then you will lose the confidence. So either start with the easy passage first or make sure to have a strong mentality. So basically this was the prediction for both academic and GT students. I hope you guys are prepared and all the best. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can text on the given numbers. See ya.